Good morning, children. Yes, today we are going to start the new lesson, Unit 2, the Equatorial Region, the Congo Basin. Equatorial Region, the Congo Basin. Yes. Before going to the topic, I will ask one question, children. Yes. If you go closer to the equator, does it becomes hotter or colder? Yes, it is hotter. Why it is hotter in the equatorial region? Yes, the sun rays directly falls on the equatorial region. The sun rays directly falls on the equatorial region. Yes. Children, before going to the lesson, I want to say about few points. What are the few points? Children, here it is the earth is divided into two equal half. Do you know? No? The equator around the globe, the equator runs around the middle of the globe. It divided earth into two equal parts. Divided the earth into two equal parts. One is northern hemisphere and one more it is southern hemisphere. It is equator, no children? Yes, it is equator. The earth is divided into two equal half. One is northern hemisphere and one is southern hemisphere. This part, children, half. Next, so it stand out here 0 degree latitude. Which is the 0 degree latitude, children? Equator is the 0 degree latitudes. And one more question I will ask, children. Be ready. With the longest line of the latitude, which is the longest line of latitude, children, here? Yes, equator. The longest line of latitude is equator. Yes, and some more important latitudes are there. That is Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, and Antarctic Circle. North and South poles also. Yes, these are the important latitudes. And one more, children. In previous lesson, you already learned about climatic zones. Yes, how many climatic zones are there, children? Yes, 3 climatic zones are there here. What are they? Tropical zone, it is tropical zone, and temperate zone. This green color, it is temperate zone, and last it is blue color, it is frigid zone. What are the 3 zones, children? One is torrid or tropical zone. Both names are there, children, here. Torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. These are the 3 climatic zones are there. Isn't it? Yes, remember, children, don't forget about the basic of the lesson. Isn't it? Yes. We can go for next pic, children. Yes. Here we all know that our earth is like a round ball. We all know, no? Earth is like a big round ball, isn't it? Therefore, it is obvious that it does not receive sunlight in equal amount of everywhere. Do you know, no? In some places, the sun rays are very shorter. In some places, the sun rays are very longer. Isn't it? Why the sun rays are very shorter and in some places sun rays are very longer? What is the difference, children, here? Yes, because of earth is like a big rounded ball, isn't it? Yes. So I said before only in tropical region, for temperate region and frigid region, isn't it? So once you observe here sun rays, children, the sun rays are directly falls on the middle. Middle means, before I said, it is equatorial region. In this equatorial region, the sun rays are very shorter. Due to this very heat, the rays are shorter means the heat is more. The sun rays are longer means heat is less. While poles, due to this, in that frigid zone, how was the climate? It is very cool. In the tropical region, it is very hot. Tropical region, it is in equator, isn't it? No, like that the difference will be. So in the equator, the nearer to the sun as compared to the poles for most part of the year, isn't it? The sun rays are more direct and stronger here. In which place stronger here, children? Equatorial region. The equatorial region, the sun rays are more direct and stronger here, isn't it? Yes, the climate of the equatorial region is hot throughout the year. In the climatic, in the equatorial region, how was the climate, children? It is throughout the year very hot, very hot. Why? Yes, the sun rays are very shorter. The sun rays are directly falls on the equator, isn't it? Yes. See the picture, children. It is map showing equatorial region of the world, isn't it? Equatorial region of the world. Yes, here, where is the equator, children? Here, this is the equator. How many degrees? 0 degrees equator. Yes, see, this region, the equatorial region, in between 10 degree north latitude and 10 degree south latitude from the equatorial region. Up to where, children? It is 0 degree, no? 10 degree means mostly it will come. Yes. In north, 10 degree north latitudes and 10 degree south latitudes. 10 degree north latitudes and 10 degrees south latitudes. The equatorial region lies between 10 degree north latitudes and 10 degree south latitudes from the equator, isn't it? Yes. See, children, here the green color, yellowish color will be, no, here in this region some continents are there. Equatorial continents. What are they? Yes, the continent of Africa. Where is Africa, children? It is in green color. It is a continent of Africa and Amazon basin of South America. It is, and Malaysia, this and all, and Indonesia of Southeast Asia falls in the equatorial region. These continents are falls in the equatorial region. What are they, children? Continent of Africa, the Amazon basin in South America, and Malaysia and Indonesia in Southeast Asia falls in the equatorial region, isn't it? You remember these continents, children. Once again I am repeating. Continent of Africa, the Amazon basin in the South America, and Malaysia and Indonesia in Southeast. Green yellowish color will be the Southeast Asia falls in the equatorial region. Are you understood? Yes. The equatorial region also receives a lot of rainfall with annual precipitation of more than 2000 millimeter. Yes, this is why numerous huge rivers flows through the land. So, how was the temperature in the equatorial region, children? Yes, the temperature is very high throughout the year at around 30 degrees Celsius with 30 degrees Celsius. With low temperature ranges, it is less than 3 degrees Celsius. Isn't it? High temperature it is 30 degrees Celsius, and low temperature it is 3 degrees Celsius. That is the temperature in the equatorial region. So, the day and night are equal length. The day and night are equal length. So, these hot and wet conditions are ideal for the growth of plants. These two conditions are the ideal for the growth of plants. So, the vegetation is both dense and varied here. Here, look at the given picture. These are the vegetation is both dense and varied. So, the famous tropical rainforest lie in these areas. Which areas? Equatorial regions. Equatorial region, the famous tropical rainforest is there. See, these are the tropical rainforest, isn't it? So, the rainforest about 500 species of flora. 500 species of flora. Isn't it? Flora means what, children? The plants considered as a group, especially those of a particular country or region or time. Isn't it? See, this is the floras. These are some trees that grow in the equatorial or mahogany, rosewood, ebony, rubber, palm and bamboos. Isn't it? So, how many species of floras are there in equatorial region? The rainforest have about 500 species of flora, means flowers, isn't it? Yes. And the next, what is fauna? Fauna means what? Animals considered as a group, especially those of a particular country, region or time, etc. So fauna means in the, what are the fauna in the equatorial region? Is thick creepers crawl on the ground and climbers climb up the trees. The region also has an extremely diverse fauna. Isn't it? Look at the given picture, fauna of the equatorial region. Yes, animals like monkey, sloth, ant-eating tapirs and various species of reptiles and snakes also thrive in these jungles. Isn't it? That is about the introduction and climate and vegetation of the equatorial region. Yes. Did you know, children, the Amazon, which is the second longest river in the world. Amazon river is the second longest river in the world that runs through the South America, the rainforest in the equatorial region. It is very, very important with children. What is that? Once again I am repeating. The Amazon, which is the second longest river in the world. It is run through the South America rainforest in the equatorial region. Isn't it? Thank you, children.